Hey y'all, I'm here at work on this rainy Saturday and I'm posting my last Disney video for y'all. And I wanted to make a correction because in a video that you'll see after this one, it says that part of this video will have a clip of the parade in it. And what I forgot about is I already posted the video of the parade. So just scratch that part. In this Disney video, you're going to see my favorite ride, Soarin', and also the castle show and fireworks show from Magic Kingdom. Soarin' is in Epcot. The fireworks show is at Magic Kingdom. So I hope you have enjoyed the Disney videos, and I hope you enjoy this last one. And don't forget to like, comment, but especially subscribe. If you're liking my videos, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a happy Saturday. Bye-bye.
Tonight, we gather in a most enchanted kingdom, one overflowing with magic. And once upon a time, it all began with a dream.
Yesterday, Disneyland and the New York World's Fair. Tomorrow, a project so vast it has already been called a whole new Disney World.
As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida. There's enough land here to hold all the ideas and plans you can possibly imagine. Walt Disney World is a tribute to the philosophy and life of Walter Elias Disney. May Walt Disney World bring joy and inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. A magic kingdom where the young and hearts of all ages can laugh and play and learn together. Dedicated this 25th day of October, 1971.
Oh boy, this place sure is swell. Some folks like to say that it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you! Each and every one of you. Anytime you set foot here, you leave this place brighter than it was before. Because you are the magic.
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe. You have traveled from so far. You're close enough to feel. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. Let it be free. It's here for you and me. So come see your God. Be your guide. Cause it's there inside. If you believe it's possible tomorrow. Let's start all your dreams will follow. Doesn't matter where you are, 'cause the spark is in your heart. Wherever you go, you know how. 'Cause you are the magic. You are the magic.
Dreams come true is calling out to you, inspiring each of you to wish upon a star. Follow your hearts and discover a world full of wonder. Like those who have answered the call, if you allow your dream to be your guide, you may be surprised by what you discover. So long as you simply believe.
I remember someone told me
fairy tales can come true.
Make 'em happen.
It all depends on you.
There's some time to slow you down.
People taking the easy way.
But I know exactly where I'm going. Closer, closer every day. I'm almost there.
I'm almost there,
People out here think I'm crazy.
but I don't care.
Trials and tribulations.
I had my share.
But I climbed the mountain. I rose the river. I'm almost there.
We go in the sky when the sun is high. We see the lake, the sea, and the ocean breeze. At night we name it the star. We know who we are. We know who we are. We are. Away, away, who we are. Take my knowledge, yeah. Away, away, and no take my knowledge. And when it's time to fight, we know the way.
journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are. The people you love will change you. The things you have learned will guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you.
And so, we have found what we seek. The magic of dreams come true, in fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in their heart, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are